Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna open up one display of Bt07 Digimon card game next adventure, and well, this is gonna be the first part. The first part is in English, the second part will be in German, so stay tuned if you don't care about German, so just check it out. But for now, without further ado, let's begin. Alright, let's dig in this box. I'm very excited because I need a lot of green cards from here, because I'm playing a green deck, because, well, Tentomon is my favorite, #1. So let's dig in this box. Okay, for our box topper, sadly, I don't get the green one. We have Takuya Kanbara. Well, maybe we have more luck with this one. The box promotion pack. Maybe I get a green one. So let's open up this one. Gonna open up with scissors on the bottom for the first one, because I'm collecting packs too. So yeah, that's me. Oh, also the red memory boost. Why don't I get the green? Maybe it's a sign. I don't know. But okay, let's put this to the side. We gonna do the left side for the English part and the right side for the German part. So let's put this to the side over here so nobody can see it. And let's open up this pack. So the first one, I have to cut this one open too, because I'm collecting my packs. I started this with Digimon, with Yu-Gi-Oh, and now I'm continuing this with Digimon too. So let's put this to the side, and the next ones we can rip it off. So we start with Ultra Turbulence or Turbulence, Antilamon. Okay, come on, camera. I know you're not familiar with Digimon cards, but please stay with me. We have Brave Metal and Saberleomon or Saberleomon. In German we call it Saberleomon. So maybe it's Saberleomon. We have Korikakumon. And maybe you can hear my crickets in the background, I think. Because, yeah, they are alive. They are the food for my praying mantis, so just ignore them. Alright, Gigastorm. Tortomon. Put the green cards to the side for me. Kokomon. Oh, it's so cute. Yes. And Mame Tyramon. Tyramon? Tyramon? Mame Tyramon? Mame Tyramon? I don't know. But I like this one very, very much. Nidhoggmon is our next one. This boy looks so sick. Look at this artwork. It's so awesome. And it's a common too. A full art common. So yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, okay. Skull Knightmon for our first rare. And after that, woo! Phoenixmon, and it's red again. I hope to get Izzy with Hercules Kabuterimon, but yeah. I still stick with the red one. Today's a red display. Not good for me, but good for someone else. Alright, let's have a look in the next pack. Put this to the side, and we start off with Ghostmon. Tidal Wave. Schwarz Leersatz. Why is it a German word. It's called schwarz. Schwarz means schwarz. Black. Schwarz. Schwarz means black. Lehrsatz means teaching sentence. So, or study sentence. Deadly Axmon. Hackmon. I like this boy. And it's red too, so maybe I should start a red deck. Löwemon. Maybe in German it's called Löwemon. Because it's a lion. Blue Hawaii Death. Oh, that penguin is so cute. He fights with ice pops. Are they called ice pops? I don't know. Beowulfmon, yeah. Bright memory boost. I want the green one. I want the green one. Avenge Kidmon. Oh my goodness, this one looks so badass. And it's red again. Okay, the next one is Systemon Blank Awakened. Okay, she's cute. And the next one is Dorugaromon. Ooh. Looks sick. Oh, it's a super rare. Ooh, yeah, okay. My first one. Let's get into the next pack. Come on, give me some green cards. Did I get anyone? No green? No. Okay. Sad for me. But okay, we gotta start. This is the card I wanted so bad because I'm a big fan of Metal Capoterimon. Yeah. And then we have Casimon. We have Flame Memory Boost. Maybe I get the green one. I hope so. Vendigomon is killing a Pidimon? Is it Pidimon? Well, it's not Angemon, it's the other one. I don't know his name. Maybe we will see him in this set. Kumamon. Monochromon. Oh, it's green too, so put it aside. Toy Agumon. Oh yeah, I love this one. I love the Toy Agumons. Then we have Calling from the Darkness. Chat Sylphimon. Why are you so loud? Could you please stay quiet for 10 minutes? Okay, Chat Sylphimon. And we have Rhino Kabuterimon. Awesome. Then Dinorexmon. Okay, I take it. Woohoo! Yeah. Looks also so sick. Awesome. And Cherubimon. From the Digimon movie 1. Awesome. It's also super rare. Okay. Okay. It's good. It's good so far. Now I get my green cards. It's a good start. So we have Pulsemon. I like that dude. Waymon. Nemon. Then we have Gigasmon. Orochimon. Tortomon. I think it's the second one. No? My first one? No, it's my second one. My second Tortomon. Put it aside. Kumamon. Burning Greymon. Beetlemon, yes! Ah, I love Beetlemon. This one, he reminds me of the Beetlebox. I don't know if you know this series, but if you know it, please put a comment below and say I love Beetlebox. But yeah, he reminds me of the blue one from Beetlebox, because they were Beetle box, Power Ranger thingy thing, and they were awesome, so I like them a lot. Is there any way to watch this series again? Is there any way? Any platform where I can watch it? If you know, comment below. Okay, next one. Goromon! Ooh! A new Digi egg for me. That's good. And we have Tommy Himi, my first trainer. Pokemon. My first tamer. And after that, we have a Metal Greymon. Again, it's red. I want the green cards. Give me the green. Green is not my color. Blue is my color, but... well, Tentomon is in the green area, so yeah. It's green. Alrighty. Next pack. And we have Volkmon. Icemon. Blue Hawaii Death. Monochromon. Deadly Axemon. Casimon again. Lovemon, or in German Löwemon. Steffilmon. Then we have Ancient Volcanomon. Oh, this dude looks so sick. The volcano on his back. Yeah, I like him. Then we have Electric Rush for Pulsemon. And we have Chaos Dramon. Looks pretty sick. And after that we have Ancient Sphinxmon. Okay. Next pack. Let's dig deep into this set. I need more green cards, so please give me the green. Give me the green. Alrighty, here we go. We have Brachiomon. Thunder Laser, here we go. Oh, is this the sick card I want? If you have a Digimon with hybrid or demos in its choice, place, spend one of your buttons. No, it's not the one I wanted, but it's a beginning. So Flame Memory Burst. Boutmon, yeah, this one is also so sick. Then we have Antylamon. Shellmon, oh, this one is classic. I love this artwork. Looks so beautiful. It's a Koki artwork, that's why. So we have Hakmon, Gomamon, Kapurimon, Aldamon. Okay. It's red again, so we have Koichi Kimura. The next tamer, but not the green one. I want, how's it called? Pete, James, something like this. JP. I want JP. Give me the JP card. And the next, whoa, Fadimon. Again, not the green one, but I take it. So there's only one slot left for Hercules Kabuterimon, or what is the other green one? Rosemon. But I prefer Hercules Kabuterimon because it's my favorite. I want my Kabuterimon and my JP. I need some tamers. So we have Philmon, Bokomon, Tidal Wave, Ice One Scatter Mode, Scattered, So, Giga Storm. Triceramon. Korikakumon. Kaiser Leomon. Fire Drake Strike. Oh, there's something big coming, I think. Earsmon. Oh, I played. My first ever Digimon game I won was against Earsmon. You won't believe it. Ancient Beetlemon! Yes! Ancient Beetlemon. Here we go. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. I love this one. Magna Garurumon. For our super rare. Okay, well, hey, I got every card just once, but I got every card I want for now. But there's still a few missing. A few. So we have Ultra Turbulence. Turbulence? I don't know. Dorugamon. Ghostmon. Saberleomon or Saberleomon. Brave Metal. Brave Metal. Brave. It's brave. And metal. Tuskmon. Oh, here. For Otto, the metal cake. This is Brave Metal. Okay, I did it. Just for you. Tuskmon. King Waymon. Daipenmon. Oh, that's so cute. Dorimon. Oh. Rihimon. Dorumon. And the next one is Harrismon. Harrismon? Come on, it's a Harrismon. Show them the Harrismon. Alright. We have 4 packs left for the first part. So let's hope we can get something special. It won't open so easy. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Schwarz-Lehrsatz. Dino Memory Boost! Yes! This is the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted, and it's so cool. Boop. Dino Memory Boost. Awesome! Perfect. Grumblemon. Kendo Garurumon. Monitamon. Metal Kabuterimon. Give it to me. Give it to me. Vendigomon. Is it? Okay. Well, now I have to check it. I want to know which Digimon, what Digimon this is. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. I don't want to tell something. Here, Pidomon. Pidomon is his name. This is Pidomon. Yeah, and he's dead. So yeah, it's a dead angel. Sephiamon. Pusurimon. Oh, it's so cute. Mugen. Okay, I take that. It's a green one. Sistermon Seal Awakened. Oh yeah, that's a sister. Come on, show the waifu. Everyone wants to see her. And the next one is Flamemon. Still red again. Give me the green. All right, last 3 packs for this side. So let's have a look. Oh no! Oh no! Yes! It's Gotsumon! And it's adorable! Oh, it's a reference! With Pumpkinmon! Oh, yeah, I like this! Portsmon! Tyagumon! Yay! Niemon. Gigasmon. Okay, right. I'm making some funny voices. So, Orochimon. Oh god, I have to stop Waymon. Starlight Velocity. Bukamon. Oh, I have to stop with it. It happens all the time when I'm opening Digimon cards or watch them. Doru Greymon. Strabimon. Or Strabimon. And the next one is Betamon. Alternate art. What? Well, it's a green, so I don't care. And I don't know if it's strong, but I'm gonna play it anyway, because look at this artwork. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Okay, well, I have to put it in a... No, I put it over here. I put it over here. And we can still dig deeper. So, yeah. Now I'm getting some greens. Something I need to play my deck. Well, I put this one in my deck for sure. Because it's beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. Ultra Turbulence. Then we have Metal Kabuterimon again. Yes. It's for you, Otto. Metal Kabuterimon. Korikakumon. Brachiomon. Dorugamon. King Waymon. Over here. Here we go. Dino Memory Boost again! Yes! Yes for me! It's a yes for me. Sylphimon. Sylphimon. Beowulfmon. Ancient Volcanomon. And we have Kochi Minamoto. The next tamer, and it's not a green one. What is happening? Metal Cannon. Alright. Last pack of the left side of the first part. Can we get a last pack magic for the first part? With something green? Maybe a green tamer? Or Hercules Kabuterimon? Something I'm missing? So, we start off with Casimon. Are you focusing on the cards? Thank you. Oh, come on, please. I'm so sorry, guys. Brave Metal. Blue Hawaii Death. Lövemon or Lovemon. Grumblemon. Huckmon. Ghostmon, and there's something green. Rhino Kabuterimon. Yes. Koromon. The next guitar for me. Gomamon. And Dead or Alive. No, we're gonna get serious. Dead or Alive. And the last one is Qualialized Blast? Qualialized Blast? It's Qualialized Blast. I call it like that, so you have to stick with it. Take it like that. So yeah, okay. Alright, this was the first part, and it's starting off pretty good. It's not everything I wanted, but at least I've got some green cards, so I'm pretty happy. And there were some really good cards too. So yeah, I can't complain for the first part. So if you don't mind, and if you have no problem with German, because the cards will be English again for the most part, but yeah, then just check out the next part. And yeah, well, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.